Maybe she thinks that you like the friend that's coming better than the friend that's here.
It's a beautiful day in your neighborhood. Oh, here I am.
Hello, Big Bird.
Where? Oh, hello, Mr. Handyman Digby. Hi, X.
Hi, Big Bird. I'm so glad to see you.
Gosh, you got all kinds of pictures, and signs up there for me.
Well, welcome, Big Bird, it says.
And
Bird
in your neighborhood.
that's coming better than the friend. Maybe she thinks that you like the friend that's coming better than the friend that's here.
It's a beautiful day in your Gosh, you got all kinds of pictures of me and signs up there for me.
Well, welcome, Big Bird, it says. Big so glad to see you. So